What's up, do-it-yourselfers? Thanks for tuning in to Small Engine Repair Channel, where our main goal is to make sure you know that you have the ability to fix or repair whatever you want to take on.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this buyer guide on a riding mower. Make sure you stay tuned to the end for a special bonus tip. Tip number 1, check the traction belt. You can see here we went right down the steering column. Some of them you can see right here. We're going to show another way to look at it in the back. But you're basically looking for crack, age, any marks on this belt. We're going to be looking at the idlers right there as well underneath. And we're going to move on to tip 2, engine oil. We're going to check condition. Is it super dirty? We're going to check level. This one doesn't look too bad. Which brings us right into number 3, air filter and condition. This can be found on the top of the engine on any riding mower. This one's caked, as you can tell. And yeah, that can tell you how much the mower's been ran, basically, with how dirty the air filter is. Tip number 4, blade condition. You can see on this one, the blades are going to be super thin and worn. They should be squared on the tip. They shouldn't be all notched like this one is and super thin looking. These blades need replaced. Tip number 5 is going to be spindle condition. These should not have any movement. You can tell here this one moves almost 1 inch side to side. No good. These spindles need replaced. We will move on to tip number 6, which is going to be fuel filter condition. If you can't see the fuel filter inside the casing, it's bad. As you can tell in this one, it needs replaced. Tip number 7, tire pressure. This can affect mowing level, and this will also affect ride condition. So this is a pretty important tip. These should be around 13 pounds. Tip number 8, charge system. I have a simple voltage meter here, which can be purchased at any hardware store for very minimal amounts. As you can see here, our battery checked at 12.5 before starting the engine, loaded down to 10.5 when started, and now once our choke stuck here, which brings me to tip number 9, check your linkages and cables. Release the choke. Our machine, when got the proper throttle, our machine started to charge just fine. So most riding mowers should be charging up around 13 volts. If you're above 14 volts, you have a overcharging issue and you are probably cooking the battery. So something to check on a used mower. Tip number 9 or tip number 10. Grease fittings. These can be found on the front axle on any riding mower typically, and sometimes they're on the front wheels as well. And now for our bonus tip and last tip, steering links. As you can see on that one, this one was baling wired together and this side was not, but this is very crucial on a riding mower as well. These things like to break a lot. Thanks for watching guys, and good luck with your purchase on your used riding mower.